Operations with binary numbers. We can do all four basic operations with binary numbers in a similar way to operations we have discussed in the decimal system. Thus, for addition we can carry numbers, but this time not when the sum of two digits is 10 or more, but when it is 2 or more. Likewise, in subtraction we can borrow one unit from the place value on the right when the difference of two digits is not possible. The only difference is that this action does not increase the value of minuend digit by 10 but by 2. Multiplication and division are also carried out in a similar way to the decimal number system. Example: complete the following operations with binary numbers and then prove the correctness of results through the corresponding decimal operations. A 111011 plus 110011. B 10111010 minus 1101. C 11110 times 101. D 100100 divided by 1001. Solution. A. For simplicity, we can complete the operations in columns as we did for decimal operations. We have the following shown on screen. Proof: 111010 is equal to 64 plus 32 plus 16 plus 0 plus 4 plus 0 plus 1 is equal to 117. 110011 is equal to 32 plus 16 plus 0 plus 0 plus 2 plus 1 is equal to 51. Thus, 117 plus 51 is equal to 168. On the other hand, 10101000 is equal to 128, plus 0 plus 32 plus 0 plus 8 plus 0 plus 0 plus 0 is equal to 168. Hence, the two results obtained through different methods of calculation match. B. Again, we complete the operations in columns. We have the following shown on screen. Proof: 10111010 is equal to 64 plus 0 plus 16 plus 8 plus 0 plus 2 plus 0 is equal to 90. 1101 is equal to 8 plus 4 plus 0 plus 1 is equal to 13. Thus, 90 to 13 equals 77. On the other hand, 100111 is equal to 64 plus 0 plus 0 plus 8 plus 4 plus 0 plus 1 is equal to 77. Hence, the two results obtained through different methods of calculations do match. C. We complete the multiplication in column in the same way as we did it for base 10 numbers. We have the following shown on screen. Proof: 11110 is equal to 16 plus 8 plus 4 plus 2 plus 0 is equal to 30 and 101 is equal to 4 plus 0 plus 1 is equal to 5. Hence, 35 is equal to 150 in the decimal system. On the other hand, 10010110 is equal to 128, plus 0 plus 0 plus 16 plus 0 plus 4 plus 2 plus 0 is equal to 150. Hence, the two results obtained through different methods of calculations match. D. We complete the division using the method explained in tutorial 1.2. We have the following shown on screen. Hence, we have 100100 divided by 1001 is equal to 100. Proof: 100100 is equal to 32 plus 0 plus 0 plus 4 plus 0 plus 0 is equal to 36, and 1001 is equal to 8 plus 0 plus 0 plus 1 is equal to 9. Thus, 36 divided by 9 is equal to 4. On the other hand, 100 is equal to 4 plus 0 is equal to 4. So, our two results obtained through different methods of calculations match. That is all for lesson 1.7.4. To continue this tutorial, please watch 1.7.5, the base 16 number system. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe to keep up to date with new videos. For more information, calculators, and tutorials, please visit www.icalculator.info.